I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of the Social School, where I help small businesses optimize their digital presence. Today, we're talking about a super simple tweak that can make a huge difference on your website: compressing your image files. Image compression just means reducing the file size of your photos and graphics without noticeably affecting the quality. So instead of uploading a 5 megabyte photo straight from your phone or camera, you can shrink it down to something web friendly, like 300 KB, while still keeping it crisp and clear. It matters because uncompressed images equal slow loading times equal frustrated visitors, and frustrated visitors equal lost sales and lower Google rankings. Google hates slow websites, so it impacts your SEO, your bounce rate, and even your conversion rate. The good news is there are tons of free tools to compress your images online, making it an easy fix. My favorite is TinyPNG, but CompressJPEG, ImageOptim, and Squoosh are also good. If you use WordPress, I would suggest a plugin like ShortPixel or Smush. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple, actionable marketing tips. And if you're ready to take your digital presence to the next level, check out my group coaching program, which is now on demand as well, The Social School, where we've dived deeper into strategies just like this and so much more.